Hi, my name is Dakota Cole. I'm a team supervisor in patient dietary services. We interact with many people, both hospital staff, patients, and family, from taking menu choices to guiding nursing with nourishment, snacks, tube feedings. I definitely think our work matters here at Dartmouth-Hitchcock. We're kind of one of the few things that patients have control over. Because there are 4 areas in our department, it's important to remember that even if you're not a people person, there is plenty of opportunities in our back of the house with preparing food, preparing trays, our storekeepers. The schedule's pretty flexible, whether you want early in the morning or if you're a night owl. There's lots of options. Dartmouth-Hitchcock can prepare people to move outside of the kitchen into other roles in the hospital. That core base of nutrition definitely comes in handy, and it definitely also helps with patient care and making sure that you're really putting your best foot forward to keep your patients happy. Food usually makes you feel better. The organization has a lot of policies and learning tools in place to promote career growth, not just for myself, but for anybody, whether it's e-learnings or in-services or leaders that invest a lot of time and energy in guiding us when they see that growth potential. I see myself growing at Dartmouth-Hitchcock, whether it be returning to school potentially to become a dietitian or maybe taking on a manager role. There is so many different routes that I could take. Even if you start out in a position, say, as a dishwasher or one of our prep staff, if you see the host positions and you're like, oh, that looks like something I want to try, we definitely encourage movement in between departments. If you are looking for a job in a fast-paced environment that has a real impact on patient care, you should consider applying for food nutrition services.